this one you seen from my video didn't quite run, it broke. Hello guys, Steve here, RC. If you remember my last video with this beauty, yep, it got broken. So we got some parts here, some parts here. I'm gonna fix this sucker. Here we go. Whoa, broke this too. I have one of these upstairs. I'll have to get that too. That's what we need. Except for I'm going to go around here with a bead of goop because that's a weak spot that always breaks. I'm just going to go right around this with a bead of goop. I'm going to go around this with a little bead of goop just to make it stronger. Just like that. Put a little water on your finger. Shape it. And that little bead will make it stronger. Alright, now let's build it. Haha, I just realized I didn't put the dog bone in, but a dummy. Wanna know why I forgot? It wasn't on the table, it fell on the ground. Stupid idiot. So, let's see if I could get it in like this. Lucky. Yep. I always make mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes. Seems like you're making more when you get older. Now we got the dog bone in there. Yep, with the new wheel thingamajiggy. All I gotta do is put the front bumper on now. And there you have it. Good as new. Snapped right off. Anyhow, that is it. I'm finished with the beauty. Hope you liked it. Sorry about forgetting the dog bone and I had to take the front off again, but it happens sometimes. But Hotshot's ready for action now. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you next time. ShenRC out. Leave me all the good stuff. Likes, comments, sub, anything helps the channel out. I'll see you next time. Later guys. Beauty.